In this tutorial, I will show you how to send WhatsApp and SMS campaigns, as well as automated sequences that combine both SMS and WhatsApp messages. To do all this, we will use a tool called Brevo, which is marketing software that enables you to communicate with your customers using different channels like email, WhatsApp, SMS, and more. So let's start by setting up a free Brevo account. To create an account, you can use our link, which is placed in the description below the video. We would greatly appreciate it if you use this link, as it can provide us with a commission if you later decide to upgrade to a paid plan at no additional cost to you. So when you're on the Bravo website, click the sign up button, then enter your email and choose a password. We are creating a free account, so as you can see, there's no credit card required. Then follow the next steps to create an account. Creating an account is simple, but if you encounter any issues, you can find a link in the description of this video to our tutorial, which guides you through the Brevo account creation process. Okay, so let's now proceed to the Brevo overview. In this video, we'll first take a quick overview of the contact section, because we first need some contacts to whom we will send SMS or WhatsApp messages. Next, we will set up an example SMS campaign and WhatsApp campaign. Finally, I will show you how to use automation to create a sequence that combines SMS and WhatsApp messages. Let's start by going to the contact section. Here you can see your contact database, so make sure that your contact list has also their mobile or WhatsApp number. Okay, so if you want to add your contact, just click create a contact and fill out this information. So don't forget again the SMS and then their WhatsApp number, because that's where you're going to send your campaigns. Okay, and then after that, after filling out all this information, just click create afterwards. Now, let's say you don't want to add your contacts one by one because it will take a lot of time. So you can also opt for import contacts. Okay, just click that and then take advantage of .csv, Excel, or .file if you have from your computer, because you can just upload it here and then Brevo will just detect or generate those information. Okay, and then you may also opt for copy or paste option. Again, just make sure that all the information that you need, especially their number, has been added, okay, on that list. Case. We also have here a list, okay? So we have here different lists that you can add, and you may group or sort out those contacts under a specific list. Like for example, I have here subscribers list, also have here prospect list. Okay, so basically it's everything or any type of specific interest or similarities that those contacts have. Okay, so we also have here segments as well. Segments are groups made based on specific criteria. They can help in sending more targeted and relevant communication to each group. When it comes to collecting data of contacts, there is the option to use a form. Here in Brevo, you can create a sign-up form, choose what fields will be included in that form, adjust the design of the form, and then share it via link or embed it on your website. So when someone fills out and submits such a form, his or her data will be added to the previously selected list in Brevo. Now, let's set up an SMS campaign. So go to Campaign, and under Campaigns, choose SMS. Okay, now this is how to create your first SMS campaign. So just click Create My First SMS Campaign. So let's name it Tennis Coaching. Okay, and then SMS sender, you may put any name under here, but I'll just use my name. So Nisa. So there's a note here, guys, that recipients in some countries, including the US, cannot see customization. So instead of seeing Nisa here, so our name will appear as a numerical short code. Okay, so that's fine. And we also have here manage compliance for the United States. I will enable this manage compliance for the United States and fill in the fields below so that I will be able to send my SMS campaign also to the United States recipients. Just follow with this organization prefix and then unsubscribe instructions. So this is going to, let's say, PW, okay? And then unsubscribe instructions. So make sure that your message here must include a stop keyword, okay, to instruct your unsubscribers. So let's type here, let's see, type stop to unsubscribe. Okay, so we're good with that. And under SMS message, this is the field that we're going to put our message, and we're gonna type anything we want here. But I have my pre-made message, so I'll just paste it here. So there you go. Okay, so we have here our organizational prefix and then our message and then the unsubscribe instruction. So that's basically it. We're good with that. And then there's an option here to send SMS in batches. And we also have here an option to send a test SMS. Okay, so just click send a test if you want to test it. But in this video, let's just proceed to the next step. So just click next step. All right. So here you can choose your contact list that you want to send your campaign to. So I'll just select the beginners list and then let's click update recipient count. So we have here 7. All right. And then let's click next step afterwards. So now our campaign is ready to be sent. So here we can review our SMS campaign. So here's the from, NISA, and then the organizational prefix PW, and then here's our message. Hi, we're kicking off the new tennis. And then the unsubscribe instruction. So now we are ready to send this to our 7 contacts. So all we have to do is to click schedule afterwards. So we have here 2 options to send it now or to schedule it for later. So let's say we want to schedule it for later. So let's choose here. Let's say on Friday or Saturday, February 17. And then time will be, let's say 9. Okay, so 9 a.m. So all we have to do is to click continue afterwards. So that's it. Here's a confirmation. Are you sure to, you want to send this, blah, 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 and then click confirm. All right, so congratulations. Our campaign was successfully created. So our campaign is now queued to be sent on February 17. In the description of this video, you can find a link to our free guide, Email Marketing with Brevo. In this guide, we will demonstrate how to design effective sign-up forms, how to write and design emails, and examples of email automation you can use. Now it's time to create our WhatsApp campaign. Okay, so all we have to do is to click WhatsApp, that's basically under SMS, and then click create campaign here in the upper right corner. And then name your campaign. So I'll just name it the same as my SMS, tennis coaching. All right, that's it. And then click start. After that, we have here 3 steps on how to create WhatsApp campaign. So first, we have the from. In this from section, you can choose which WhatsApp business account you will use. There you can also find instructions on how to link WhatsApp business account to Brevo. And then in the 2, just select the list that you want to send your campaign. So click edit, for example. So I'll just select the beginners list, the same as my SMS. And then in the message content, here we can start creating our WhatsApp campaign proper. Okay. So we have here 2 options to use template or start from scratch. However, if you are still a beginner in creating your WhatsApp campaign, so this is your first time WhatsApp campaign, this option, use template, is not yet available on your end. So I have here 2 different templates because I've already created WhatsApp campaign before. So since it's your first time, just select start from scratch. Okay, and then click start creating. So now we are here directed to put template name. So I just name it, let's say tennis special. And then template type is we have marketing and utility. So what is marketing for? Marketing is used for promotional communication, and then utility is for informational messages. Okay, so I'll select marketing, all right, and then template language. Okay, so let's use English US. Okay, so we have here also an option to log in with Facebook to use this template in a campaign, but I'll just leave it as is. So now let's click start. So this is what looks like now. We have a preview of like the same as the WhatsApp in mobile version. So we have here the header, the body, and the buttons. So let's enable this header because this is very useful in our campaign. So we have here the text and the media. So if you want to utilize this one, just put the header text here. So for example, let's say, hey, and then what I like about this one is we can add personalization. Just click this person icon here, and then let's select the attribute that we want to add. Let's say, for example, the first name. Okay, and then if the value is empty, let's just say here, friend. All right, and then click save. So in media part, you can drag and drop here photos. Okay, but I'll just leave it as is. You can just explore it yourself. So hey, now in the body part, here you can type or create your message that you want to send to your contacts. Okay, so in my case, I have a pre-made message already, so I'll just paste it here. So we're kicking off the new tennis season at our club. Sign up now for lessons and improve your game, etc. So I have here your first lesson is free. For more info, check the below link. So later I will add the link. So let me just go through you here. So you also have here personalization that you can add, like for example this header that we did before, we can add the first name, last name, and we also have here the strike through that you can play with, and we also have here emoji, so you can just select any emojis here that you want to add to your message, and we also have here bold or italic. As what I've mentioned earlier, that I will add the link because we have instructed here for more info, check the below link. So just enable the buttons. And then we have here quick reply buttons and call to action buttons. So just click that call to action and then click add button. So we have here type of action. So we have call number or link. So let's select link and then let's place the URL here that we want to direct to our contact. In the button text, just type the text that you want to appear on the button. So I'll just type here, click here. All right, so this is what looks like now. So this is the message that your contact will see. Okay, and then when they click this button, click here, they will be directed to the link that you previously entered. Now let's say you're good with this already. So all you have to do is to click save. All right, and this is submit for approval. So we cannot click it yet. Again, because WhatsApp business account is not yet connected with Brevo. But if you have already connected yours, so you can just submit it for approval. So that's basically it for WhatsApp campaign, guys. Now, after that, let's go to automations. So just click this automation on the left side menu. Automation does tasks for you automatically based on rules you set up. For instance, when someone signs up for your newsletter, the system can automatically send them a sequence of emails or messages. Okay, so all we have to do is to click create an automation. So we have here pre-made automations. So we have here abandoned cart, product purchase, welcome message, etc. Okay, but for this video, let's use the classic editor. So we'll create our own automation. So let's name this SMS and WhatsApp. And you can put here the description. All right, so I'll just leave it blank. And you may also enable or disable, allow your contacts to enter the automation more than once. But I'll just disable that and then click create automation. Our automation will work in the following way. When someone submits a form, that subscriber will receive a confirmation via SMS that he is now subscribed to our newsletter and he is now welcome to our club. Okay? And after that, 3 days after his or her subscription, we will send him or her our promotional offers, our marketing, etc. Let's click here, add an entry point. This will trigger our whole automation. So let's select a contact submits a form and then select the form and then click OK. After that, the next action will be to send that subscriber a confirmation message via SMS. So let's click send an SMS. Here you can select whether it will be transactional or marketing SMS. And then from is your name or the sender that you want your subscriber to see. And then let's put the message. So I have a pre-made message already. So I'm just going to paste it here. So after that subscriber submits the form, this will be the message that will send to him or her. So, hi, we're excited to have you in our tennis community. Stay tuned for the latest updates, professional tips, and special offers. So, that's it. And we also have here an option, guys, to enable switch to Unicode to support more languages. And you can also here put tags and enable also, I want to choose when to send this SMS. Okay, but for this video, I just leave it as is and then click OK. So let's select another action. So before we select an action now, let's select a condition. So just click add a delay because we're gonna put a delay 3 days. All right, so put 3 and then select days and then click OK. Now it's time to add another step to send to that subscriber a promotional offer. So click plus icon again and then send an SMS. And then from is, let's say, NISA. Okay, and then SMS message. I have a pre-made message as well. So I'm just going to paste it here. All right, done. So we have here the message ready to be sent. Explore our club's offerings, enjoy top tier courts, etc. Okay, so I just leave it as is. This one also the switch to Unicode tags, and then I want to choose to send this SMS. I'll just leave it untick and then click OK. Okay, so that's it. So if you want to utilize the WhatsApp message as well, so you can add that by clicking this plus icon again and then select send a WhatsApp message. However, you can just do that when your WhatsApp business account has been connected already with Brevo. Okay, so let's just go back. Okay, so just click activate automation. And this is now, it looks like status is now active. By the way, I want to show you another condition that is really helpful in automation, especially in SMS and WhatsApp automation campaigns. And that is, let's click this first, the condition if or else condition. Okay, so let's select the if or else condition. And then let's select the website activity. Okay, and then select page visit. Now let's equal to, so let's put the website and then click OK. Now we have here the yes or no, if that subscriber visited it or not. So if yes, we will send him or her a WhatsApp message. You can select that, send a WhatsApp message. I just go back again because it's not yet connected. And then if not, so let's select no and then send an SMS. Okay, directing to that subscriber that probably you wanna instruct him or her that, hey, you forgot to visit this page, etc. Blah blah blah. So you can just put it here, just go through with this, and then click OK after. But again, for this video, I'll just click back. So you may want to utilize that. As for Brevo, besides the options related to SMS and WhatsApp, Brevo offers various possibilities like sending emails, web push notifications, or calling your contacts. There are also useful features like a sales platform, a shareable calendar in which clients can book meetings, or the conversation section that gathers customer chats from various platforms. If you want to check out Brevo and haven't set up an account yet, we encourage you again to use our link in the description. It can provide us with a commission if you later decide to upgrade it to a paid plan at no additional cost to you. If you'd like to learn more about how to take advantage of Brevo, you can check out our free guide, Email Marketing with Brevo. In this guide, we'll show you how to implement the best practices of email marketing using Brevo. We will demonstrate how to encourage people to sign up for your email list with effective sign up forms, how to write and design emails, and examples of email automation you can use. The link to the free guide is placed in the description of this video.